There is now an AI that can read your thoughts, not your voice, not your face, your actual thoughts. Developed by researchers at the University of Texas at Austin, this AI uses brain scan data to decode what a person is thinking in full sentences. No surgery, no implants, just brain activity and machine learning. This could change everything. How it works. The technology is built using a combination of fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, and a powerful language model. Here's how it works. Participants were placed in an fMRI scanner and made to listen to hours of podcasts. As they listened, the AI recorded their brain activity and learned how the brain responds to different words, ideas, and sentences. Over time, the AI began to recognize patterns, specific brain signals that matched specific meanings. Eventually, it was able to predict what the person was thinking, even when they weren't speaking. In other words, the AI could reconstruct internal thoughts, just from brainwave data, accuracy, and results. This isn't just theoretical. The AI was able to decode internal thoughts into text with surprising accuracy. We're not talking about reading simple words or yes-no responses. We're talking about full, complex sentences. For example, if someone thought I haven't been to the gym in a while, the AI might interpret that as, it's been a while since I went to the gym. Not exact words, but the exact meaning. Real-world use cases. This has the potential to change lives. People with speech disorders, paralysis, or locked-in syndrome could communicate using only their thoughts. Stroke victims who've lost their ability to speak could regain a voice. Powered by AI, imagine controlling a computer, a phone, or even a robot without moving a muscle, just by thinking. Risks and concerns. But this technology also brings major concerns. If I can read your thoughts, where does privacy end? Interrogation, manipulation. The researchers were careful. The AI only worked with trained participants who gave consent. But in the future, similar models might not require such cooperation. And if brain activity becomes a form of data, who owns it, controls it? What's next? Right now, the technology is limited. It's slow. It requires fMRI machines, and it needs hours of training per person. But as brain-computer interfaces become more advanced and machine learning gets smarter, this could evolve rapidly. Smaller devices, faster decoding, real-time mind reading. This is no longer science fiction. The ability to read thoughts is becoming science fact. Conclusion: mind-reading AI is here. It could be one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created, or one of the most dangerous. Only time will tell.